as we are emerging. What is emerging? A transformation, right? From one level to another. As we are emerging, let us be prepared to give up something. You cannot change without giving up something. You may be giving up an old mindset. You may be giving up a habit that you love. You may be giving up your comfort zone, but you will give up something as you emerge. You may be giving up some dynamics. You may be giving up some relationship. You will give up something as you emerge. Whether you're emerging professionally, personally, societal, emerge, or your creativity, you will be giving up something. So are you ready? And that's something that you're giving up. It may cost you more than you realize. It may cost you to get out of your comfort zone to the place that you can even ask yourself, is it worth it? Am I ready? So before you emerge, be ready. Think about it. Think about it. When you want to emerge, maybe as a parent, you go through a process of pain, birth, and something. Before you see that beautiful butterfly, it had emerged as a caterpillar. Before you emerge in every aspect of your life, be ready. What am I giving up? Is it my finances? Is it my time? Is it my relationships? What am I giving up? Is it something that I think will no longer serve me in this journey and I am giving that up? Are you ready to emerge? Plan for it. Think about it. And build that resilience. Like, I am leaving this comfort zone to something else that may be challenging. Am I ready for that? I want to talk about the emotional weight of letting go. When you're letting go something, as a human being, we are wired to seek safety in comfort. We seek comfort in what we know. But when you are emerging, there is a fear of the unknown. How is this thing going to serve me? How is this new journey make me feel? The emotional weight of letting go. Are you willing to let go some relationships, some parts of your identity? Because you will be faced with fear, with grief, or resistance. However, through these emotions, they are the journey, the transformational journey, or the transitional journey for you to fully emerge into what you want to be. The process of grief. Think about it. Are you ready to grieve over certain things? The process of fear is signals that you're stepping into an unfamiliar zone. Are you ready? Resistance is reminding you that what lies ahead may require courage and faith. Are you ready? Is what you're emerging into worth it? But what I know is that comfort has never led to something transitional. If you are transforming into that beautiful piece of yourself, that new version of yourself, you have to emerge. You have to try being uncomfortable and see what you can squeeze out and see what is inside of you that can come out. Again, let us emerge together. I am ready. Are you? Let's emerge together so we can conquer fear, we can conquer grief, we can conquer the resistance and build. When you're comfortable, you're sitting in a familiar zone. When you emerge, you are building.